In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country on Wise app. If you've moved or your residency has changed, updating this setting helps keep your account details, fees, and compliance information aligned with where you actually live. I'll walk you through the exact path in the mobile app and share a few tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening the Wise app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to the internet and, if possible, running the latest version of the app so all menu labels appear as described. Once the app is open, head to your profile. You'll find the profile icon at the top left of the screen. It may look like a small person's silhouette, your initials, or your photo, depending on your setup. Tap that icon to open your profile area. Inside your profile, scroll down until you see the section called Personal Details. This is where Wise stores your core account information. Tap Personal Details to move into the settings you can edit. On the next screen, select Personal Information. This section contains items like your name, date of birth, address, and the country settings tied to your account. Look for the field labeled Country of Residence, tap it to change your current country to the new one where you now reside. You'll typically see a searchable list or a drop-down of countries. Choose the correct country carefully. This setting reflects where you legally live for regulatory purposes, and it can influence available features, local account details, and some fees. Be sure it matches your real, current place of residence. After you've selected the new country, confirm that your choice looks correct on the screen. When you're satisfied, tap Save. The app may take a moment to process the change, and you might see a brief confirmation message or a loading indicator. In some cases, Wise may later ask you to confirm certain details or documentation to comply with local regulations. That's normal and helps keep your account secure and compliant. Once saved, your country of residence is updated. If a feature looks different after the change, such as available currencies, card options, or local bank details, that's often because availability varies by country. If you don't see the personal details or personal information sections as described, double check you're in your personal profile and not a business profile, and consider updating the app. And if the save button doesn't appear, try closing and reopening the app, then revisiting the same path. That's it. You've successfully changed your country of residence in the Wise app.